A couple of weeks ago I gave a little bit of an update about this park, and I got some replies that people thought it was too less what I showed, so today I'm going to give you a bit more. Good morning. It's a 6:15, so a really early morning. And today I'm going to give you some updates about constructions that are going on in Bangkok. And the first one is here, next to Sukhumvit Road 4. Nana is the Bullies pub. The Bullies pub used to be here, and they tore down the building a couple of months ago, and they constructed a new fitness 24/7. And the Bullies pub is going to be in here. But I'm not here for the Bullies pub. I am going to show you an update regarding the Chong Nonsi Park. I'm going there now, so see you there. So here we are at the Chong Nonsi Bridge. The BRT station, and as you can see, the trees are already planted here at some parts. It looks like there's there's a lot more construction going on. So let me park my bike. So as you can see, they already started planting the trees here. And there they put quite a few pillars. So I'm not sure how that's going to look in the future. So this is supposed to be ready on the 25th of December. And if I look at the progress, they will probably make it. They have less than 1 month to finish this project, and this is not going to be the full park, as I mentioned in my videos before. This is only a 250 meter stretch. A couple of weeks ago I gave a little bit of an update about this park, and I got some replies that people thought it was too less what I showed, so today I'm going to give you a bit more. Yeah, I think the big difference is the trees. People are already enjoying the park. The water will still keep flowing, but it's just going to be under the concrete here, so it's not going to hinder that. And when everything is ready, it's going to be a 4.5 kilometer stretch all the way in the direction of Rama 3. Yeah, it's almost 6:45 now. The workers are coming to work on this project. It's going to be a nice park, a nice retreat for the people that work in these offices here. There's the BRT coming. Somebody's getting some nice drone shots over there.
Speaking of drone shots, when I told Michael Rifa that I was making a video about the Chong Nonsi Canal, he told me that he made some nice drone shots over there as well, and that he's happy to let me use them. Great view of the Narathiwas Road, and you can see how long of a stretch the park is going to be.
I'm here at the other side of the construction, and yeah, you have these metal beams on top of these pillars, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be the walkway either towards the BRT station or maybe across the street. I'm not sure how that's going to work, because of course, how are you going to get to this park? The Chong Nonsi Park is all part of the reconstruction of the Chong Nonsi district here, and they just finished the renovations of the bridge, and then I guess here there should be the connection to the park somehow, but I'm interested to see how that's gonna work. This is the entrance to the BRT. I'm here at the point where Narathiwas connects with Rama 3, and this should be the end of the future park. So when the long Chong Nonsi Park is ready, it should end here. Yeah, but first it's gonna be the 250 meter stretch, and then later this should be ready by next year. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Chong Nonsi Canal. I will keep you informed about this project, and when it's ready by Christmas, I will be here again. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.